Okay, hey Google, switch on the solar lights. Hey Google, switch off the solar lights. Okay, I've just installed a solar lights. What is this? This is currently charging at the moment using what do you call this? Solar panel. Yeah, I just hang it inside my house, close to my window. When the sun is out, it will automatically charge. And the good thing is, it is using a remote control, such as this. You can turn on and off using a remote control. Right, so it's gonna be very bright. There is also different modes like auto mode. There is also reduce brightness. Press. This is the lowest brightness. The biggest brightness, let me see. This is the brightest I can go. Okay, so because it's a remote control, I can connect this solar lights with my this called switchboard remote. So I can do this like call Google to, hey Google, switch on my solar lights. I never press anything.
Alright, turning on the solar light.
Yeah. Hey Google, switch off my solar lights.
Sure, turning off the solar light.
Yeah. So I'll have free lights charged by the sun in my room. I'll put all these cables. There's some access cables over there. I'll just pull the cable up and use cable trunking to cover it up so that it will not be so untidy. Okay, this is the main LED light, and this is the solar light. Currently, unfortunately, I have to make a cut there because the connector is a little bit too big, so the trunking has to cut off. I yet to pull the access cable through here because I made this earlier than this area. So there's still some access cable over there which I can pull it over to the other side. And the solar power is still charging in the daytime, but to be honest, it's not that bright. So it's not as bright as that one. Hey Google, switch on the solar lights. You can see this one is not as bright as the main from the grid power. This is from the solar power charging the battery inside. So it's not as bright as that, but it's sufficient to brighten the room to see the area when necessary. Yeah, this is a solar light setup.